In the heart of the wilderness, beside a serene river, stands the Tranquil Heron, a master of patience and precision. Today, the heron reveals the secrets to successful fishing in the wild, a skill vital for survival. Observe how it waits motionless, scanning the water for subtle movements. Here, patience is your greatest weapon. By creating a makeshift fishing rod from willow branches and using earthy bait like worms, one can emulate the heron's technique. Remember, in the calm of nature, silence is crucial. Any disturbance may cost a precious catch. Embrace this ancient art. Keep your senses alert and let the waters provide nourishment in your time of need.